Hi everyone, welcome back to Kingdom Wealth Creators. I just thought I'd show you my intraday positions for the last 2 days and how I was going about it. We had two different sessions on Thursday and Friday. Thursday was a day that the market was down. Friday was the day when the market was slightly up. Both these sessions were kind of range bound. It wasn't moving much. There were a bit of sell-offs at the end on yesterday, but uh, it's a market that's currently not going anywhere. And I think the best thing that a person can do is to intraday rather than to hold on to some stocks. Of course, there are some stocks that are moving, but many stocks are not doing that well. There are some technical breakouts, some on the downside, some on the ups, going up. But I think it's best if you intraday. And so here, just to showcase to you what happened the last week, right? And so Thursday was a range bound day. We had about 72 points being lost on the Nifty, and these were the shares that I got into: Sun TV, Berger Paints I went short, Reliance I went long, Voltas I went short, ACC I went short, Biocon I went short, Petronet I went short, HCL Tech I went long, and LTTS I went long. And you will see that out of all of these shares, HCL Tech was the only one that went wrong. So I did 9 shares in total, out of which one went wrong, 8 others went successfully well. In fact, not all of them were long this time. In fact, there were some that were short, some that went wrong. So it's a mixed bag. But the strategy that I use is very simple. It's a strategy that is quite simple for anyone to adopt and learn. And in fact, everybody who wants to learn it can learn it from me if you want to. I would just ask that you go and register at the link that is below, and you can become part of this. You can learn along with me as I trade, we trade it, how to do it. And so I made about 5,900 rupees Thursday. Yesterday was a day that the Nifty was up about 50 points. And again, I went short and long. Just so you know, there were 4 short trades and 3 long trades. Uh, I I was unsuccessful on 2 of those. I was successful on 5 of them. Most of the short trades worked out. There were 2 other trades that I didn't actually do, but others, when I pointed it out, some others probably got into it. One was on NIIT that went wrong and was successful, and the other one was a short on ICICI Bank towards the end of the day, so also successful. But I personally didn't get in because I my positions were already in. And so these, see, I just want you to know, this is done with a trading account of less than uh, about 2 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs. But I don't use all of it for intraday trading, and I don't use the entirety of my margin. And so someone who, any normal person with a small account can do something like this. You don't necessarily have to do these number of shares. You can do smaller amounts, but just by following this strategy, you can make money. And especially during this time when everything is in lockdown and probably money is not easy to come by. A little bit of money being gained on intraday over on the side would really help families. And I think if you are interested, please do once again go down to the link below and register. Um, I just also want to show you that, for example, how do I do this? Okay, so you can see M&M, right? I'll show you what I did. Okay, so when I looked at M&M, this is a chart for M&M. I saw that M&M broke a trend line. Okay, and that was 3 days ago. And then yesterday, that was actually yesterday. And then yesterday it was starting to trade below its support line. That's when I sold it at about 394. Later I saw that there was support that came back here at 385. Sorry, 383, 382. It went down to 381. And so at 386 I covered it back. And so I made 2,500 rupees on 300 shares of M&M. So that was about roughly 1.2 lakhs of cost, and a return of 2.5 2,500, which is a good, not a bad return. Okay, within intraday percentage, and so roughly 2% return. So in case you are interested, please, like I said before, go down to the link below, register, and become part of this. Thank you.